Hey everyone, it's Will Heeman, and usually at this time you might be planning to come into Heeman's for one of our popular winter workshops. And while the pandemic might not mean that that's able to happen this year, we're still committed to bringing you that workshop experience right into your own living room with one of our take-home kits that we put together. So whether you want to have us put together all the base ingredients pre-portioned just to make it easy, or whether you want us to do a little bit of the work ahead of time for you, you can pick one of these options and then ultimately select from a number of pre-designed kits that our designers have put together to look great, just to match all the different color schemes you might have. And then ultimately at the end you'll check out and you'll get a link in your email with a private video led by me to lead you from start to finish on how to turn this into a beautiful winter arrangement that you can enjoy on your porch for many months to come. If that sounds interesting to you, then click onto the link in this section below and you can find step-by-step instructions. Pick and match the ones that are right for you, and then enjoy making this arrangement from the comfort of your own home whenever it's convenient. Make sure you got that Heeman cider on ice or that favorite glass of red wine going, because we're going to have some fun and making our winter arrangements so you'll be able to enjoy on your front porch and brag about for many months to come.